You killed it, unpacking slang for success. Hello, dear friends and language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English slang phrase, killed it. It might sound a bit strange at first, especially when you think of killing as something negative. But, in the world of English slang, this phrase takes on an entirely different, very positive meaning. So, if you're ready to sound like a native and learn when and how to use killed it, keep watching. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's break down the literal and the figurative meanings of these words. Literally, to kill means to cause death. Pretty grim, right? But figuratively, when someone says you killed it, they are actually paying you a compliment. It means you did something exceptionally well. It's often used to praise someone's performance, achievement, or handling of a situation. You might be wondering where this phrase came from. While its exact origins are a bit murky, we know it's a piece of modern slang that likely started in the competitive worlds of sports or entertainment. When you kill it, you're not just succeeding, you're doing so impressively, leaving a mark of excellence behind. In everyday usage, you might hear it after a great presentation at work. You totally killed it with those slides. After a dance performance, wow, you killed it on stage tonight. Or even after a good decision, you killed it with that choice. Killed it isn't just a phrase in a vacuum. It comes with a cultural context. It's a part of a family of English slang that emphasizes extreme success. Variations might include phrases like, crushed it, or nailed it. These are all informal ways to say someone did something very well. Remember, such phrases are casual, so they're best used in informal settings among friends or colleagues you're comfortable with. Let's see how this phrase is used with some examples. After a successful job interview, your friend might say, you killed it. They'd be crazy not to hire you. If you've baked an amazing cake, someone might comment, you totally killed it with this recipe. Or, after acing an exam, you could proudly tell your friends, I killed that test. These examples show how killed it is a versatile phrase that can be applied to many areas of life. And there you have it. You're now equipped to understand and use the phrase, killed it. Isn't it fascinating how language can take something with a negative connotation and turn it into a celebratory expression? So next time you do something amazing, don't be surprised if someone tells you that you killed it, and remember, they're cheering for your success. Thanks for watching, and keep on killing it with your English learning journey.